Hi friends, I am Jnaneshwar Shinde. Welcome to my channel Shinde's Chemistry Mastermind. So here I come with this new session in organic chemistry, general organic chemistry, the very important topic. Okay, resonance and mesomeric effect. So in many examinations of NEET and IITs, the effect which is caused by covalent displacement of electrons in covalent molecules. So we have three types of effects generally. So this one first, resonance or mesomeric effect and inductive effect and hyperconjugation. These are the three main important effects we can observe in covalent bonding molecules, polar covalent bonding molecules due to the delocalization of electron. So here in this session we discuss about mesomeric effect. So here the mesomeric effect is also known as resonance effect. So it is also called resonance effect or mesomeric effects. So here before starting this session we have to know what do you mean by conjugate system. What do you mean by conjugate system? So generally here in covalent bonding, if you see here the bonding between two carbons, two same carbons are there, so there is a no chance to have polarization. Why? Because equal sharing of electrons takes place. In two fluorines also there is no polarization, okay, and in two chlorines also there is no polarization takes place. But here if carbon is attached to chlorine, carbon is attached to chlorine, here carbon get a positive charge and chlorine get a negative charge. So here the polarization takes place because of here the chlorine is more electronegative. Chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. So here chlorine have the tendency to attract the electron. So attract electron is the tendency of chlorine, and due to that chlorine get a negative charge and carbon get a positive charge. So this type of bonding is called polar covalent bonding. What we call it? Polar covalent bonding. So here in polar covalent bonding, if by donating electrons, so there will be displacement of electron or delocalization of electron is cause such type of effects such as resonance effect or mesomeric effect, inductive effect and hyperconjugation. These are the three different type of effects which are observed due to delocalization of electrons. Why the delocalization takes place? Why? Because here one atom is more electronegative, substituent is more electronegative, and the other attached molecule is less electronegative, so that there is a chance of delocalization of electrons takes place. And if we discuss about conjugate system, so in conjugate system generally pi bonds are observed. If we take this example here, this is 1,3 butadiene. What is this? 1,3 butadiene. It means on first carbon and third carbon, there will be a pi bonding. So pi bonding is observed, double bonding is observed at the first and third carbon. So here this butadiene. So this 1,3 butadiene is a conjugate diene. So conjugate diene means here due to these pi bonds, delocalization of electron takes place, and due to that the stabilization is only possible when the electron shifts or transfers from one carbon to another carbon. So here these type of compounds have conjugate system. This type of compounds have a conjugate system or called conjugate compounds. So here in these conjugate compounds polarization takes place. What takes place? Polarization. So now we discuss about resonance or mesomeric effect. So here polarization of a molecule due to electron pair displacement. So polarization, already we discussed that polarization takes place due to displacement of electron caused by atom or group along a chain by a conjugate mechanism is called mesomeric effect. So this is very simple, okay, definition here. Displacement of electron takes place, okay, due to the polarization of, okay, atom or substituent group, so here if you see in this example, here the polarization is takes place, okay, in presence of chlorine only. Why? Because here carbon not have any type of polarization, but here chlorine is more electronegative, that's why polarization is possible. So here the group or atom, okay, or the substituent, right, so it is more electronegative or electron donating or withdrawing group, so that polarization takes place, and this type of effect is, okay, continues to the further atoms. So this type of effect is called resonance or mesomeric effect. So furtherly, polarity produced by two pi bonds, okay, or a pi bond and a lone pair of an electron in a conjugate system. So already we discussed here, in conjugate system two pi bonds are alternately come. So here this conjugate system is if delocalization of electrons takes place until further it changes its resonance structure. So here polarity produced by two, okay, two pi bonds, and the pi bond are lone pair. In some molecules, lone pairs are possible to, okay, give the electrons. In some molecules, pi bonds are present. Now here in 1,3-butadiene, okay, two pi bonds are present. So the delocalization takes place, okay, in complete conjugate system. So here mesomeric effect is a permanent effect. In mesomeric effect, if we see, is mesomeric effect is observed two types, plus m effect and minus m effect. So here in plus m effect, if we discuss plus m effect, so the plus m effect is transfer of electron is away from an atom or substituent group attached to conjugate system. So what is the meaning of this? Transfer of electron is away. So generally, if you take an example of phenol, okay, if we take example of phenol here, right? So here, see, on phenol, okay, this oxygen have the ability to, okay, or a lone pair of electrons, and it gives lone pair of electron to benzene ring. So due to this, okay, the localization takes place, delocalization takes place, and the shifting of double bond takes place. So here until, okay, in final stage we get, okay, so double bond is come on oxygen and carbon atom, right? So now we get this structure. So here in this example of phenol, okay, oxygen have lone pair of electron, and this lone pair of electron is donating to benzene substituent, and electron is delocalizing and stabilize this complete ring. So it is called conjugate system. So conjugate system is stabilized due to the resonance of, okay, electron, delocalization of electrons. So here plus m effect is that transfer of electron is away from an atom. So now here the electron pair is transferring. So this transferring of electron is, okay, not come to the substituent. It is, okay, it is moves away from the substituent. So this is a substituent, okay, or atom, right? So it giving electron pair. So this electron pair is away from the atom. So this type of effect is observed as plus m effect. So in plus m effect, okay, transfer of electron away from the atom from attached conjugate system, right? So this benzene, total benzene ring is a conjugate system, and this is a substituent. So substituent is giving electron and electron is delocalizing, right, and away from the substituent, right, and it delocalizing complete the conjugate system. So if we see these examples here, OH, and NH2, OR, OCOR, amine group, NR2, NHCOR groups, shows plus M effective. So in addition of electrons, this plus M effect is also called addition of electrons. So addition of electron means electrons it giving electron to this ring, benzene ring or conjugate system. So the substituent is giving electron to the conjugate system, so that this effect is called plus M effect. We call this plus M effect, right? So we have another more examples: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. So these all come under plus M effect. So here some of the examples are given. Electron donating groups. What is this? Electron donating groups. So electron donating groups are linked with conjugate system. So it giving electron to the conjugate system. So here the benzene rings are there. To this benzene ring or conjugate system, OH. So OH is donating electron. This oxygen is having the pair of electron, it giving to conjugate system. So it is plus M effect. It shows plus M effect. In amines, aniline. If we have the example aniline, in aniline you see on nitrogen one lone pair of electron is there. So nitrogen is ready to give this lone pair to benzene ring. So due to this plus M effect, it will show aniline showing plus M effect. If you see chlorobenzene, in chlorobenzene also 3 lone pairs of electrons are present on chlorine. So chlorine also giving electron, and delocalization takes place. So it also shows plus M effect. So all these 3 compounds show plus M effect. So next minus M effect. In minus M effect, so here the transfer of electron towards the atoms or constituent group. So here what happens? Reverse, it means reverse. So firstly, substituent is giving electron to the conjugate system, but here in minus M effect, transfer of electron towards the atom or substituent group. So here, withdrawing of electrons, taking electrons from conjugate system. Substituent is accepting or taking electron from conjugate system, so that here electrons are transferred towards the substituent group, not towards the conjugate system. Electrons are attracting towards the substituent group, and such type of effect is called minus M effect. What we call this? Minus M effect. So here we have some examples. In these benzene rings, if COOH group is present, COOH is attached, right? So it accept electron. Why? Because this COOH group is not giving electron pair to benzene ring. So it accept electron from benzene ring. So here these groups are called electron withdrawing groups. What we call this? Electron withdrawing groups. In plus M effect, we observe that electron donating groups are there, but in minus M effect, we observe that electron withdrawing groups taking electron towards the substituent groups from conjugate system, right? So we have some examples here. Benzoic acid is there, benzaldehyde is there, aldehyde is a functional group here. Here is cyanide is a functional group, and here is NO2 is a functional group. So these functional groups are what is this? Functional groups. So these functional groups are attached to the benzene ring, which is conjugate system, So these functional groups are not donating electron, with accepting electron from the conjugate system of benzene. So this effect is called, okay, minus M effect. We have some more examples. COH, CHO, keto group, C double bond O, C triple bond N, okay, NO2 groups. Along with that, COCl, okay, carbonyl chloride, and CONH2 amides, and SO3H sulfonic acid. So all these type of, okay, substituents are called minus M effect. So I hope that here plus M effect and minus M effect, simply you understand that in plus M effect, okay, transfer of electron is away from the, right, atom or substituent group to conjugate system. But here in minus M effect, transfer of electron towards the substituent group from the conjugate system. So here the both, okay, first one is electron, okay, donating groups, and second one is electron withdrawing groups. Simply remember it, electron donating groups are showing plus M effect and electron withdrawing groups are showing minus M effect. So here in examination, what type of questions are given? So they are asking which compound, the compound is plus M or minus M, or in some compounds which effect is observed in inductive effect, or okay, resonance effect, or okay, mesomeric effect. So we have to, okay, understand properly and practice it with a different examples. Firstly, you understand the concept, okay, and accordingly you have to follow these rules here, okay. In mesomeric effect, plus M and minus M effect are observed. Plus M effect is, okay, due to the electron donating groups of a substituent to a conjugate system. Minus M effect is observed, okay, due to electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups are electrons are accepted from a conjugate system towards the substituent. So this type of effect is called minus M effect. Okay. So here this is a very simple concept you have to understand and practice well. Why? Because this is very important topic. So I hope that you like this video, and in many other videos we discuss about general organic chemistry in deep. So keep watching. Thank you very much.